Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March the 21st, 2020, and we're trying an experiment outside. The pipe that runs into the greenhouse to supply the radiant heat and the heat for the greenhouse, the ground is 60 degrees. So we are losing heat out of it, but we decided to take the potato bins out of the greenhouse and we put them across the pipe, and my mom is planting onions in them here, and we are going to cover this then with plastic and make like a little miniature greenhouse out of it, sort of. See, she's planting the onion bulbs in there. Now, the reason why they're planted so close together is we're going to pull these then for spring onions. So we have some early onions to eat. And I do have the onion seedlings in the greenhouse. They're growing very well. I have videos on my channel for how I start my onions from seed. Now, these bulbs here were store-bought. I think for all of these, and then we did do some red ones here. They were like, oh, there's more left. Okay, there was more left. It was like $1.58 for all of these. So this is going to get covered with plastic then, and we'll come back and tell you how they're doing. And we are gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B. We did have some warmer days out. Today's a cooler day, but looking forward to seeing how these grow for us. So we put sticks in to keep the plastic off of the onions and the potatoes. And we did that with, we also planted some leafy greens and the swimming pool there, and we put in some watermelon radishes and some red beets. So we're going to get this covered here. So this has been covered with 3 layers of plastic, and it's been weighed down with boards and old bags of potting mix, and hopefully the greenhouse will help shield the wind. Now the soil, when this was moved over here, it was covered with the plastic, and it was already up to about 60 degrees. So as this starts growing, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show it to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!